Welcome back, friends. I am Sam again. In this small video, I will explain you what is dall-e image API. So this API is very smart actually. If you see my screen, like these images are created by the DALL API. So here, if you send a prompt like the prompt which is shown, an oil painting by Matisse of a humanoid robot playing chess, and it will look like this, you see. So so like this is not a painting which was already stored or saved in the ChatGPT's knowledge base. It has created this image by using his knowledge base like robot and then chess game and etc. So it's very smart actually. If you see whatever you see here, a 3D render of an astronaut walking in a green desert. So again, it has created the image. This is a green desert. It's a robot. It's a, sorry, astronaut, and it has created the 3D kind of image for that. So DALL API is very smart, very intelligent. You can ask anything, like there are different possibilities. One of the possibilities I can tell you is to send the prompt along with the image, and it will replace that image, edit that image and give it back to you. It can also generate various number of images based on whatever you are prompting. For example, if you write a man with laptop like this, okay, man with laptop, or software engineer with laptop. If you write this and say generate, it will create an image. Maybe if you ask for 5 different variations, and you need to also provide the size, so it will create those number of images and with those sizes and give it to you then and there. Right now they are not giving it free. You need to buy the credit of at least 15 USD actually. So you will be getting 115 credits based on which you can generate the images. So this is not a free like other schemes, like the other textual completions and all. You get $5 credit from ChatGPT, from OpenAI company, but this will not give you any credit. You need to purchase it. So you can create as many images as you want, and it will create on the fly, and there will be no consent from anybody. I think you can use these images without any fear of any licensing issues or anything. So this is the beauty of it actually. So you can also submit your generation, means whatever you generated, it is asking for logging. But if you generated any beautiful image out of DALL library, you can submit that generation and they can showcase your image if they find it beautiful, and they can showcase in this kind of same library here actually. So if you click on surprise me, it will give you some prompt in order for you to create the image. Okay, so this is just giving a prompt, say different prompts. You don't know what it is giving. You are just saying surprise me, and it is surprising you with different prompts actually. So here you can also maintain the library of your images actually. Whatever images you create, here it will maintain the library of it, and you can anytime see it and use it as per your requirement. So this is kind of a drive wherein you can put your created images. You can also mark the images as the favorite, and all the favorite images will be displayed in this section, in the favorite section here. So apart from generating, OpenAI is also giving you facility to store the images and marking it as a favorite, and whenever you want to see or use those favorite images, you can quickly come here. It is kind of folder in your system. They are giving you this easy access. Again, they are allowing you to create a collection. You see here, so you can create a collection, whatever name you want to give, you give it, and then you can make it either private or public. If you make it private, nobody other than you can see. If you make it public, it will be public for everybody. All the people, whoever is searching that particular image, can see that image and use that image. So, this is what they are doing. So you see, if you have created a private collections, sorry, it will display all the private collections and the images and featured favorites. And if you have, this is a public, I have just created this test essay but not added any image. Actually, you see 0 generations here. I have not added any image because it's a paid, and I will start generating as per my need and requirement, but you can do it if you want actually. So I have already created video on dall-e library for generating various images. Go and check out. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you very much for staying around.